Hmm. Got me a stripper pole. But nobody to dance on it. Hey, y'all, what's up? I know y'all wondering, what is this dude talking about? I got a drink going on and got stripper poles at the back. Well, it's not really a stripper pole. It's a fireman escape for my, see if you can see it, upstairs. Comes all the way down. So, anyway, I want to talk to you guys about some necessities that you're going to have to do. You're going to have to get out of the big box stores, and when you're talking about doing lawn care, because a lot of the stuff just don't work. And as you see in that video, it's almost exactly like that. Let me explain. Check the video out. Like and subscribe. All-in-one lawn and weed crabgrass killer, 5,000 square feet. It has 2,4-D, quinclorac, and dicamba. $12.98. So, that product that I just showed you guys contains 3 selective herbicides, 3 major herbicides. Now, when dealing with herbicides, it's almost like dealing with alcohol. For example, I got this tequila here, and you got all different brands of tequila. You know, you go Patron and Jose and all the other stuff that it's still tequila, and it's kind of like this herbicides here. I listed 3 herbicides in the name of the brand that I showed you from the store, and it covered 5,000 square feet. And if you look here, this also has 3 main ingredients, which is this one, 2,4-D, Mecaprop, and dicamba, which 2 of these were the exact same that was in the other product. And the deal with it is this: the stuff from the big box stores is so watered down that it's ineffective. That's why a lot of you guys have continuous weed problems when you put this stuff down. You will have to put a double dose or more. And keep in mind that that was $12.99, $12.95 or something like that. Well, it costs a lot. It's the same as going into the club and you take a $19 bottle of alcohol like this, dab you just a little like that, and throw you a little bitty Pepsi off in there like that. And now they want $10. That's a $10 drink right there. So out of this $19 bottle, they're gonna give you a $10 drink, and they gave you such a small amount, very small amount of alcohol. Where 2 of these drinks and you can go buy this entire bottle. So when I'm out there sending out products, a lot of you guys will go and want to buy this $10 drink because it's cheaper than this $19 bottle. That's not the way you should be looking at it. And if you look at life like that, you will forever be broke, because you are paying for 2 of these. You will have bought this entire bottle. That's what you're doing when you go to the big box stores. Let me give you guys another example. I'm trying not to make my videos so long, but you may have heard me say, hey, go get this weed and feed. And I was primarily wanting you to get it because of the weed control properties. Now, that bottle that I showed you guys was was $12.99, I believe. It covered 5,000 square feet. And look at the ingredient that it has in here. I don't know if you can see it here. 2,4-D dicamba. That's the same ingredient that's in that bottle. But look, it's 2.5 gallons, covers 50,000 square feet. Now this bottle, this costs $39, but I'm 50,000 square feet in. So I get the same amount of coverage as 10 bottles of the last product that cost $12.99. Do the math on that. That's $130 to get 50,000 square feet, whereas for $40, I can go and get this 2.5 gallon, get 50,000 square feet. You see where I'm coming from? You got to get out of those stores. That's the only way to do it. And in addition to having 50,000 square feet of weed control, it also has nitrogen fertilizer in it and other nutrients. That's why you'll never see me telling you guys to get products from the big box stores. The only time I do that is because the people who I know that's not going to get online, not going to get on Amazon and go and get this stuff. Sometimes I get a call saying, hey, I'm at Home Depot, what should I pick up? And then that's when I have to go into the spiel. I would get this, that, and the other because you're already there. But you have to get out of those stores. I just showed you exactly what they are doing to you. They are watering down your drink like they do at the club, when you can go and buy the entire bottle and have 100 times the value. This triplet right here would do thousands and thousands of square feet, whereas that one little bottle that was $12.99, $12.95 would do only 5,000 square feet. And I understand why they do that. The majority of the lawns are not much more than 5,000 square feet, and a homeowner just want it quick, go in there and get it. But the problem is that they seldom put enough product that it actually works, so you end up buying two, doing it twice. So that, in a nutshell, if you follow the links, I'll put links out there. If you just click on them to the stuff that you would need, I'll try to put a link in all the description that I have when I remember, when I'm giving you guys the game. But in a nutshell, this is a brief video detailing why you have to get out of the big box stores. And this product here can be bought on Amazon, and it's also available at the Tractor Supply, which can be a semi big box store, so to speak. But it is because they do a lot of products geared towards people with large lawns like myself. I have a lot of lawn. I can't go in and buy 10 bottles of that $12.99 and then it's not going to work. I have to use 2, so I would have to buy 20 bottles. Anyway, guys, hey, thanks for watching. Here's a little update on my Bermuda project here. I do have a lot of grassy type weeds that's coming up along with the grass. I'll just deal with that as I go. I may not spend too much money on it because, like I said, this is all going to die later. But I do want to keep giving updates on how you can bring a yard that was basically looked like dirt like this. I didn't put any seeds or anything out here. This is all natural, which is common Bermuda. Hey, thanks. Like and share the video for me.